Okay, I ain't no rockabilly player, though I love it. But I have played a fair few country gigs. You know the old timey style. Um, and and this style too, like. 60s bank commercial guitar. I like that band commercial. But yeah, all those styles I showed, or even like a Chet Atkins rhythm. Man, why don't I play in this style all the time? Yeah, maybe I should. My next band should be just based around that. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'd be a little disingenuous, but mystery train. So you got the E going to the A, and when you get to the A, it's done. I like to keep the same finger as what's on the E and just flop it down to a bar. E, flop, E, flop, E, flop, E, flop. That's kind of the cheater way. But hey, man, got every reason on earth to be mad. But I just lost the only girl I had. If I could get my way, I'd get myself locked up today, but I can't, so I cry instead. Train I ride. Okay. Fuck. Okay. Gotta stay on topic. So you're going E to A. And that was a demonstration of what that is. And then, of course, you can use the middle finger. It's a little bit, it's good too. Actually, I'm not as comfortable with it. But not the first finger. Don't do that, because you're gonna have to always go right back. Like you're gonna be like that. So no first finger, okay? No first finger. And when you're learning picking or being a human being, the most important thing is discipline in all facets of your life, but especially in picking and personal grooming. So now picking wise, the basic thing is 6th string, 4th string, and I'm resting the fat of my hand right on the metal here. And if you're too far ahead, it'll give you make you go sharp. But yeah, try to get right on that metal and get that 6/4 going. And you can bounce. See how this hand is just bouncing to keep time and cut off those notes and entertain the people. And then the fun part is, yeah, you're really going 6/4, but you can mix in a little bit of the other strings, particularly the 3rd string with one of these, like. Just do that for 7 years. Okay, and then you hit the 6 and you flop. So you can kind of flop while you're hitting the 6. Do that like a million times. And then the next move is you're going with the middle finger going on the second string, and that's on the and. Okay? And then the pick naturally goes to the 4 the way it always does. I'm gonna sneeze. A lot of allergies this time of year. So after you've done that a million times, you'll get a nice big callus, and I'm using this side of the swear finger, not the nail side. I'm kind of pulling up on the opposite side, using the flesh to catch on there. And the more you do that, you're gonna get a heavy callus, and then you just hook the callus on there. Just pick all night, and then eat the callus. No, don't eat the callus. Okay, so it's 6, 4, and then first half, second half. Your turn. First half, second half. First half, second half. I'm starting to get a rockabilly pompadour here too. The more you play this riff, your hair just forms itself into a pompadour. Yeah, this haircut is taking some time to get used to. And then try putting them together. And then just and another thing that you can do with picking patterns is like just get the basic going and then try to ooze into it, like that's actually pretty hard. Maybe that's a bad idea then. Yeah, I don't know. Try it. For me that's felt hard. That's what she said. Oh God. Okay, so there you go. Pretty fun. And yeah, I'm speeding it up, aren't I? Let's go nice and steady. Train So what you go to next is a A chord, and it's got this A7 vibe. So I think what I do is this kind of A. Let me play it a little bit. Oh, I know what I like to do. I like to go like this. Okay, I don't think that's the real way. Okay. Should have practiced before the video. So what I'm doing for the A is I think you can do the version of the chord where you bar with your middle finger, index finger for 2 strings, and then bring that guy in, and then you can use your pinky to go. That sounds terrible. Okay, so I think, yeah, just cover an A. Oh, you could just do an A7 too, actually. The There you go, just play an A7. And then your pinky goes, so you're going 1, 2, and hitting the 4th string and the 1st string with the middle finger. And then so I'm taking that finger off and bopping it with that. And then it gets twice, I think. Okay, and then you put it on at the end. So the last, we call these pinches when it's at the same time as the bass note. Then it goes to a B7, and what you do is go yeah, you don't even need to bop anything, you just go. So I'm going bass, or 5th string, 4th string, and 3rd string. Then you go to the 6th string, and then the 1st fret of the 5th string. This is like this random walk-up from an F sharp chord. Yeah, it's an F sharp chord. So that's your 3rd thing you gotta know. And then after that, I think it just goes back to, oh, I'm out of tune as well. Oh, whatever. And, there we go. So if you piece it together, you get the old, and my hair's out of control. Maybe I should take the rest of the night off, get myself a hair wash, put a towel around my head, and just watch some TV. Not bloody likely. I hate washing my hair. I don't mind it. So mind if I go really fast? I'm just gonna see if I can go fast. Oh yeah, and you can do doubles on some of these patterns, like go down, up, like it makes it sound like there's a slapback echo on. I think Danny Gatton is the guy that I saw doing that, because I sure as hell can't do it. But you could probably do it. I could probably do it, and it's like he says in his video, and like I always say, and Eddie Van Halen always said it. Sit in front of the TV and just. And you don't even have it plugged in. You're just like, and then like. Okay, got it. Check out the second half. I remember I used to do that while I was watching Fear Factor. Because I feel like on City TV they had, like, there was a period where they would have like 4 hours of Fear Factor. Like, it would be like 1 o'clock in the morning, and then it's like, okay, we're going to show Fear Factor for like 5 hours. And I would just sit there and watch it, and you know, you get drawn into things. It's yeah, it's weird. I had the same thing happen with Project Runway, you know, the reality show for fashion designers. And I just normally hate reality shows. I just feel like humanity already has enough competition in it. And it's like reality shows are kind of like just the purest form of that in entertainment. You know, it's just like, ugh. So, but yeah, I got drawn into that one. I think it was because there's creativity. You know, you have to actually make something, and there would be some women that were really good at making patterns, and like, you know, like really knowing their stuff and about fit, and like, and then there was the other types. A lot of them were dudes that would just drape on the mannequin, and then you just do it by like trial and error, and that, like, both things appeal, right? Like, you can see that, the beauty of that and the beauty of that. And anyway, how am I talking about rockabilly? So simplifying Mystery Train though. Just playing makes it easy to sing too. Train I ride, 16 coaches long. Train I ride. And then B, just that doesn't need simplifying. You don't want to skip that one. That one's like, so yeah, if the A one, like, I would be skipping it a lot of time if I was playing it on stage, or I'd probably go up and try this. But yeah, so like, yeah, simplify. Train I ride, 15 coaches long. I don't know why I said 16 before. Or is it 15 or 16? Leave it in the comments. Okay, beautiful.